Hi guys, my name is Aika and welcome to my channel. If you like fashion, beauty and unboxing videos, then don't forget to subscribe down below and also hit the bell button to be notified every time that I upload a new video. Sorry, that was my cat. Hi baby. Hello baby. Hi my cutie pie. Don't mind him. What? You want to be in this video too? Come here. Come here, my baby. Okay, let's just keep going. I'm really sorry. Don't mind him. He's just gonna walk here and mewing a little bit. Hi, baby. No. Hi. Do you want to stay here? Oh, my little boo-boo. You're so cute. Yes, my love. Okay, I got distracted for a little bit. I'm sorry. What was I saying? Oh, right. For today, I have a quick unboxing for you guys, which is from Fendi. Did you get scared? He got scared. Yes, so I have a quick unboxing from Fendi, but I can't really do it while this guy is here, so let me just pet him a little bit and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Yes, so I have this bag from Fendi and let's just open it very quickly. Today I wanted to separate my video. So I wanted to show you what I got, and then I wanted to make like a quick review and description of the thing that I'm about to share with you. And yeah, I think that's it actually. So the item that I got is in this dust bag. It didn't come with the box because they didn't have any, whatever. I am so excited to share this one with you because it really stole my heart. And you're back. Yeah, he wants to see too. Okay, yeah, so are you ready? Dun, 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 dun. Ta-da! So this is my new Fendi backpack and it is so pretty. I love this red color and the new F logo. Have you seen it already? It looks so beautiful. Alright, so let's talk about the backpack now. It looks like this. It kind of looks like a bucket bag and I'll show you a little bit, you'll understand. But basically it has this new metal Fendi logo, and although it is metal, the weight of the backpack is like super light. It is so light, I didn't even expect it to be this light. I also love the gold hardware against the red calf skin. It is pretty durable, the leather itself. It's like pebble leather, so it's not gonna scratch that easily unless you try really hard. It doesn't have any feet at the bottom, but I don't really care about that. But the rest looks pretty plain and simple. I feel like if you add like a little Fendi charm, it's gonna look really amazing together. It also has this keyring tab over here, and it has this two cute little keys. They look really adorable, like they're so tiny. It also has this padlock over here, so it is very easy to open it. You just push on the little thing and it opens right away. So what I was saying, it looks like a bucket bag. You see why? You pull these two things and there you go. It has a large compartment and a very tiny one for your smartphone. So I have my iPhone 10 right here and it fits just perfect inside. I also tried it with a bigger iPhone, the Plus one, and it also fits, which is very nice. So it can fit a lot of things, although the size is not that large, and I love it about it. The height is 26 centimeters, the length is 22, and the width is 15, so I think it's the perfect size for an everyday backpack, and it really can fit a lot of things. It also, let me just close it. Inside it has the gray, yeah, it looks gray cloth lining, and this little part, the flap, is in gray suede. At the back you have two straps, the adjustable ones, of course, so you can choose whatever length you want to choose. What I also read from the website is that you can detach them and wear it as a bag. Let's just try and see how it will look. This part actually is also detachable, but the thing is, you can take it off, but you can't take off this part. So it looks like this. But I think you can wear it with no straps at all, and it will look like a small kind of purse. But I'm not really a big fan of such handles, to be honest. And since you can't detach this part, I was thinking of leaving it in here and then putting the other two straps right next to it. And it will look like this. Now it really looks like a bucket bag, and you can just wear it on your shoulder and it will look so pretty. Do you like it? It looks really, really cute, but I'm not sure if I'll ever wear it like this, because this is just not really my style. I really like the bucket bags, but I don't know, I just don't feel like this is something for me. But who knows, maybe if I have the right outfit, then why not? I've decided to go for this particular backpack because I love the look of it. It looks very classic and very chic. I also love the red and the gold hardware. It looks really, really cute, and I feel like I can style it with so many different things. So I, like, most of the times I wear hoodies or sweaters and like jeans, but at the same time I'm trying to add some more skirts and dresses to my life. So I think this will look cute with both. Even this outfit I'm wearing right now, so I have this like electro blue jumper from Centro and then this skirt from Zara. It still will look very cute together. I know you can't really see me like full size, but still it looks cute. So what do you think about this backpack? I love it so much. Do you love it, baby? Do you like it? Do you like my new backpack? I don't think you care much. I think you think about the food, right? You're my cutie. What do you think? The price for, like, the original price in boutiques is 1,750 Swiss francs. What? What? You want to cuddle? So yeah, I was talking about the price. The price I got it for was ridiculous. This one, for some reason, was on sale, and it was only 875 Swiss francs. Like, what? do such prices still exist? Yes, they do. I got really lucky. I accidentally bumped into it on the website of Bon Genie. This is like a retail store in Switzerland, and I was like, I have to get it. Like, the price is amazing. This is from the new collection. The color is perfect and I want it so much. So yeah, I took the opportunity and I got it a couple of days ago, and I have zero regrets because I know I'll be using it so much. And yes. So guys, this is it for my today's video. What do you think about the backpack? Are you a backpack person? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.